All right, we're gonna do a visual condition report. So we're looking for scuffs, scratches, chips, dings, any cosmetic imperfections that we can find. Here on that front right wheel, it's in great condition. I don't see any curb rash. Looking at the fender, I see these really light scuffs every once in a while, if you can see that. Looks like something kind of grazed it. Very superficial just there on the surface of that clear coat. I bet it could be polished out. A-pillar looks good. A couple little scuffs here and there, a couple little rock impacts. You can see those little light scuffs. And you're gonna have those from everyday washing as well. I can see them continuing down the side here. You can see that right there. Overall, that door looks good. A couple tiny scuffs here. You can see it still making its way down the door. Overall, that lower section looks good. Quarter panel's clean. If you get at that right angle, you can see them just kind of scuffing down the sides. I wonder if it drove by some tree branches and just kind of got a hold of the side there. That wheel's in great condition. Got the nice steps. Here on the front end, you're gonna have typical rock impacts, little rock chips, and then some bug splatter that kind of etched into the clear. So you're gonna see that right here, those little spots. Typical rock impacts. Here on the edge of the hood, a few tiny rock impacts, a couple small chips. Otherwise though, in really good condition. I do see some hard water stains, little spots in the paint. I imagine though with a good paint correction, all of that could go away. Looking at that fender, overall looks good. That wheel looks nice. Typical rock impacts, a couple little spots of bug etching. Here on the A-pillar, overall really clean. Typical little scuffs from fingernails around this area. You're going to see the little scuffs here and there. That wheel looks good. That taillight looks nice. It looks like it is missing the cover here. All that looks good. That taillight's clean. Got the gloss black trim here. You can see the gloss black letters. Typical little scuffs on the paint just from everyday washing. Overall though, it looks really good. All right, checking out the interior. It is a non-smoker. You do have a little bit of wear in this area. You can see it's a little shinier. Lower section looks good. Memory seating, those buttons look nice. Typical little scuffs from getting in and out here. All weather mats look good. That bolster looks really nice. Seats look good. A little shiny here on the top side. The rest of that looks good. This is power. Those buttons look nice. All of that's clean. All right, here on the front right door panel, that wood grain looks good. The rest of that panel looks nice. A couple small scuffs on that trim. Got the all-weather mats. Looking at that bolster, looks nice and clean. That one looks good as well. All of that trim is clean. Glove box looks good. Upper side of the dash looks nice, and then you have the massive panoramic roof. Here on the back right door panel, overall in great condition. That trim looks good. Got the full coverage mats. Here on the seat back, that looks good. Seats are heated. That bolster looks nice. A couple tiny scuffs on that plastic. That looks good. You can see the all-weather mats continue back here. Those seats look good. Got the LED lights. Very nice. Here in the cargo area, it is power. Typical little scuffs and scratches on the plastic. Got the power folding third row, and you have the push button folding second row, and then the little outlet port. Overall looks good back here. Engine bay looks nice and clean. All right, we're going on a quick test drive. We have 35,218 miles. If you see any flickering here, that's just in camera, that is not in person. Steering wheel's perfectly straight, doesn't have any type of shimmy to it. The suspension feels good. Drives really nice. Being that long wheelbase, I feel like they're extra smooth compared to the short wheelbase. Brakes feel good. Has a really good turning radius, surprisingly. Those shifts are super smooth. This ride's really, really nice.